start off. Hi, Maria. How's it going? Thank you so much for agreeing to do this testimonial. Um, Now, as you know, I do have a couple of questions I'd like to ask you. I would like for your answers to be honest. And without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the first one. What was your professional background or situation like before enrolling into Data Engineering Academy? What pain points were you facing?
Okay. Well, before I enrolled into the academy, I recently early retired from the federal government after almost 22 years in their finance and accounting sector. And I was looking to pivot into an entirely new career in doing something on the tech side. And I think one of my pain points in that was searching for where do I start? What do I do? What topics? And with AI was changing the industry, and I was trying to find something that, you hear all the panic that AI is going to take your job, AI is taking all these jobs. I wanted something that would be around. I wanted something that I would actually, I said, well, what builds AI? And so data engineering started popping up. So that was the track I chose. But again, my pain point was what topics, what classes, and what was the structure? Where do I start? And there's so much out there. And I started with Python programming, studying Python, getting some certifications there. But then I see a YouTube video saying, well, study this or start this. So I was jumping from topic to topic and it wasn't structured. And that right there was giving me my biggest pain point was just not having that structure.
Understood. Well, thank you so much for your answer. Another question I'd like to ask you is, why did you choose the academy over other options? What was the biggest deciding factor?
So, I chose the Data Engineering Academy because I saw in my quest to learn data engineering, there was a YouTube video that popped up and it had Chris Garson on it. And I was watching his video and it piqued my interest. Knowing that the academy not only is, I know I'm not going to spend 4 years at, going back to school. It was structured. It was more shorter term, but focused. It was focused and structured in the data engineering track that I wanted. And not only that, it was structured, it was hands-on preparation. It was interview preparation because I have not had an interview in, 20 years of my finance career at the government. And I feel, I'm like, I need that confidence, I need that training. And so that piqued my interest, the coaching that all the coaches there, the real life question, when you have questions, you can jump on the coaching Q&As and ask your questions and get real life answers from these subject matter experts. And so that is why I joined the Data Engineering Academy. And and to include the mock interviews. So the mock interviews have been helpful, and that's actually given me the confidence that I can, after all this time of not having an interview, that I can go ahead and do this and switch careers and transition into something tech. I love the confidence that it's been given me.
All right. Well, thank you so much again for your answer. The academy always strives for perfection, so that's never gonna be an issue. Now, I do have just another question for you. I don't want to be wasting too much of your time. And that question would be, who would you recommend the academy to and why?
I would recommend, so I am a career changer, transitioning from one career into another and pivoting. I would recommend the program for that career changer I also recommend, I actually recommend it for beginners too, because I've not had any tech experience. So basically a beginner from my career into the Data Academy. But seeing that, I would recommend this for anyone actually. Those who are already in software engineers and want to increase their income. Data is everywhere, and AI is growing the data and data engineering. And I see it all the time on LinkedIn, on that a lot of companies are looking for data engineers, and they're offering nice, income for those roles. And so if you're, from software engineers already in tech, data analysts already in tech, it's just a short couple of months to even train and get those positions. But I would recommend it for anyone already in tech, anyone whose career shifting like me, and beginners as well.
All right. All right. Well, again, thank you for your answer. That's going to be about it for today. I know that this video is going to help a lot of our students that are on the fence join in. So again, thank you so much. And we cannot thank you enough, but we're going to try to make it work with the success we're going to achieve together. Thank you, Maria.
Yeah, I'm excited.
We're done.
Are we done?